Hey guys, another day and another office update. So today I have a few things here to unbox and make the office better. So let's start with this one. So basically this is the fake leather desk mat. So let's unroll it. It is gonna need some time to rest, to unfold, and I took the big one because I wanted to have it like a mouse pad and under the keyboard as well. It's from the brand called Mosh, and you can just roll it and take it with you with this small piece. And the second thing is the Eufy security cam. It's 2K indoor motorized camera, so nothing super fancy, but I think that it's gonna do the job, and it works with the Apple Home Kit. This is the camera, and we will start to connecting it. Okay, now, so this is the camera. As you can see, I can control it from my app. And the last thing for today is this. I don't really like the cable tray for this from the brand what built this table, so I chose this one. What is good about this is that it's basically metal plate with some Velcro, and you can hang it under the table like this. So you just unroll it, put every cable what you need inside it, just hook it back from the bottom of the table. The good thing about this table is that if you do something from the bottom of the desk, you can just take it up or down as you need to connect the things on it to it. So
never made it right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold.
So now, basically how it works is you just hang it here, and after that you just hang it like this. This was the last update for today. This is basically all what I needed to do today. I'm gonna put some of my tech here because I want to work from here today for something like 2 hours. This is basically my setup for some time. I'm gonna need to buy a riser, the monitor, and lots of more stuff, like I'm missing a chair and lots of more stuff over there and some nice backdrop. But this is the main part. And for now, this is what I have for a work. Nice mechanical keyboard, Turbox Elite Plus, space mouse from 3D Connection, and live desk. That's basically all what I need for doing my work now. So hopefully you enjoyed this part of the video series, and we will see in the next one. Bye.